Hi everyone, welcome to another job segment. My name is Juliet Gateri from Alternate Doors Consulting, a human resource and recruitment company. The first job we have is a customer service role. One of our clients who is in the motor valuation industry is looking for a customer service officer who will be able to support their clients. Key thing for this role is we're looking for somebody who has prior experience in customer service, and somebody with a background in hospitality would be an added advantage. The second role is an IT support officer. One of our clients who is in the financial services industry is looking for a IT support officer who will be supporting the team in telephones and email. The key thing for this job, we're looking for somebody who is Cisco certified with a degree in either computer science or information technology. The third job we have is a job that is based in Nyeri. We are looking for a veterinary officer, somebody who will be able to support farmers and other stakeholders in terms of disease control and management, and also training other stakeholders. If you have a diploma or certificate in animal management, this is the job for you. Please check the description link below. The other job we have is based in Uganda. So we have two senior roles in Uganda. One is a senior sales officer who would be focusing more in the construction industry, selling steel bars to people in construction, architects. So if you have experience, we're looking for somebody with at least 10 years experience because this is a senior role, and somebody who can be able to do presentations, support the company in marketing. The second role, which is also based in Uganda, we're looking for a senior sales officer as well. The company is a security services company, and we're looking for somebody who will be able to liaise with corporates in providing security services. If you feel you're interested or qualified, please check the description link below. The next job we have is based at the coast. We are looking for a senior sales officer for one of our clients who is in the manufacture of motorcycle spare parts. The person would ideally be liaising with different retailers around the coast region, and we're looking for somebody who can be able to drive. The next role we have is a field extension officer. We're looking for somebody with experience in crop management, somebody who can be able to train farmers and different stakeholders in crop management. If you have this experience, this is the job for you. Please check the description link below. If you're in the procurement industry, we have two roles for you. One based in Nairobi for one of our clients who is in the automotive industry. The other role is based in Mombasa for one of our clients who is in the mechanical engineering industry. If you feel that you'd want a change and you want to upgrade your procurement career, please check the description link below. And finally, we have one of our clients who is in the insurance brokerage industry. We're looking for an underwriting officer. So if you have more than 5 years experience as an underwriter with a degree or diploma in business management with additional certification in insurance, please apply for this role. First of all, let's hit the subscribe button. If you're a great candidate and want to be featured on this platform, please get in touch with us through this email address. If you're an employer and want your job highlighted here, please get in touch with us through this email address. You can also get in touch with us through our socials.